guys, welcome back to my channel. My sister's going to go get a mask, so she'll be right back. Anyways, we're going to do a video about fidgets. Very exciting. About our favorite fidgets. And yeah. Anyway, so I have this big fidget bag. All favorite fidgets are inside. Like, say this Slinky was my favorite fidget. Actually, no. This small squishy. It's not really. I'll just say. And then I will show you guys. And we'll move on and say, this is my second favorite. Not really. No, it is. This is my second favorite fidget. I'll show you guys. Show you guys what it does. Get rid of it. And like, yeah, C.H.E.R.R.Y, you know. Yeah. And we're still waiting for my sister. What's your favorite fidget? Comment below. Corey, your mask is upside down. It's upside down. Oh. My sister's here now with her mask. I might review my eyes at 100 subscribers. And I'm not greedy. I just don't really want to review my eyes for a long time. And then finally we have her with her glorious eyes. Because she does not want glasses on. Anyways. I told them about what the video was about. Now let's talk about favorite fidget. Okay, are you ready to show them? You first. My ice cream poppet. This is my ice cream pop. This is my ice cream poppet. She loves it. Yep. My favorite fidget is my ginormous poppet. You know how poppets work. If you don't, you pop it. Then the other side, you pop. That's it.
These are twins and they will go cycle without each other.
These are the cake twins.
But
you have to keep them together. Or they can go insane.
Mine.
I showed them. And then my second favorite is this squid. My third favorite is
my favorite.
That's your third favorite. We're on the third favorite. Oh. My cube. Pop tube, third favorite. Third place, pop tube. Okay, our fourth favorite fidget, pop tube. Our other favorite fidget, for our favorite, but kind of not. But you still love them. Emojis. Our favorite. Bomb. This bomb. I quit. I'm just playing fidgets and it's nothing. You don't know how to go. Pretty easy. And that's it for today, and bye.